Welcome to Riverside Coffee. This morning we're in Northwest Michigan, Sleeping Bear Sand Dunes on the banks of Shalda Creek. It's a beautiful little spot. It's fall up here in northern Michigan. This is Shalda Creek, and in the background is Lake Michigan. We're going to brew ourselves up some coffee and have that with a bite to eat. Thanks for joining me this morning. Grab yourself a cup of coffee, kick back, and let's go find a little piece together. Oh yeah, I think they're just about ready. Let those cool down a little bit. Start ourselves up some water, and we'll grind those beans in a minute. Well, I found this very interesting piece of artwork out here on the side of the river. I think it was our local beavers that put this piece together. It sure is beautiful. Not sure that I should be standing or sitting underneath it. Okay, so for this morning's feast, I brought along some cinnamon rolls from Pillsbury. I haven't had these in probably 15 years, so we're going to go ahead and give it a try. Nice and simple. Uh-oh. I guess I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm going to take a couple of those, put them on that plate, and see if we can't heat them up a little bit. Try to turn that down so they don't burn. Thought I'd put this piece of tin foil underneath there to kind of soften that flame a little bit. Well, those are looking pretty doggone good. I think they're just about ready. Put that icing on there. Uh-oh. I think I'm just about out of coffee. Oh yeah. Okay, I think they're cool enough to give them a try. Let's see, it looks pretty doggone good. Mmm. Oh, that's tasty. Cheers. Oh, that's great.
Hi, Rivers and Coffee!
Hey, hi guys, have a nice day.
You too.
Well, that was a lot of fun. I sure found a lot of peace this morning. This is a mixed-use area. There's a lot of people starting to gather. It's a beautiful fall day, so I'm going to go ahead and clean up and slip on out of here. Remember, get outside, take a little time for yourself, find a little peace. Everybody deserves a little peace in their life. For me, I find it with Rivers and Coffee. For you, it might be something totally different, but I can guarantee you, if you get outside, find yourself a little stream to sit next to, you're going to find some peace. That flowing water has a tendency to have a lot of life and energy and rejuvenation in it. Get outside, find a little peace. Until next time, Riverside Coffee. Oh, and remember, please subscribe if you like the content and give it a thumbs up, and let's go find a little piece together. Okay, I think they're ready to go. Let's give them a try. It's still a little hot. Oh boy, too hot.